2019 Toyota Prius C. A sporty look, premium interior, and safety features galore are all characteristics of the Toyota Prius C. The Prius C was also built with efficiency in mind. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, CD player, power windows, trip computer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats, rear window wiper, passenger vanity mirror, speed control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.